Jim's looking forward to something tonight.
I am. I'm going to stay up late or set the alarm. The Geminid meteor shower, which astronomers say can be the best one of the year, and it peaks tonight. You could see potentially dozens per hour. You need to be away from city lights, though, but this one might be worth a little drive out into the country. Best after the moon sets around midnight. The peak is actually at about 5 a.m. So if it were me and I were in a dark place out in the country, I might set the alarm for about 4:30. Get up, get out on a lawn chair, wrap up. It's going to be cold. Maybe your feet facing toward the west, but really anywhere up in the sky, you're likely to see the Geminids tonight. And they could potentially peak at maybe 100 to 120 per hour. Now, I've written a lot more about it and posted more information on my blog today here on KXAN.com under the Weather tab. We also have this as a news item on our main page, but I think you'll find this really interesting. The Geminid's not a normal source of meteors. Normally those meteoroids that are in space come from comets, but this is actually, scientists believe, a broken piece off an asteroid that causes this particular meteor shower. So again, that's at KXAN.com, just under the weather blog. It's pretty interesting reading. Well, we saw this morning temperatures at the coldest levels of the season so far in most locations. There have been a couple of mornings where we saw some 17 to 19 degree readings in the coldest low-lying areas in the hill country, and we did that again this morning. But it was 21 degrees in Fredericksburg this morning. It was 22 out at the airport early today. 30 at Camp Mabry was the coldest low temperature of the season so far at Mabry. And to the east, readings were in the 20s just about area-wide. There, another look at that big asteroid. But what I'd really like to show you right now is the view outside, and that is it. And it's pretty. Skies are clear. Going to be a nice sunset tonight. It will be chilly again after the sun goes down, but not as cold as last night because winds have come back around out of the south tonight. We may see some light freezes in some areas, but probably not even a freeze in downtown Austin tonight. 59 now. We're at 45 by 10 o'clock. Temperatures around the area right now in the upper 50s to low 60s. That warming trend got underway this afternoon. Much warmer weather expected for tomorrow and Wednesday, though. You'll see that in the 7-day forecast in a minute. Air still dry. 17% is the relative humidity right now with the 59-degree temperatures. And winds out of the south in town at 5 and south-southwest at 10 at the airport. Sunset is at 5:32 tonight. Mold was medium, 331. The folks said at the allergy clinic under the microscope they found 1 grain of cedar, but it likely was blown in here from somewhere else. Still a little too early for the cedar pollen to be doing too much around here. Mold medium tomorrow. Probably not much in the way of any cedar. Temperatures around Texas, 50s, 60s, a little milder everywhere. That cold air, fortunately, confined to the east, where that big storm you heard so much about over the weekend is beginning to wind down, but the cold air hasn't gone anywhere. It's 12 in Chicago. It's 24 degrees in Atlanta right now. Look at the wind chill. 11 in Atlanta. Wind chill in Chicago is -3 right now. Fortunately, this trend of the cold air missing us to the east is going to continue for the next 1 to 2 weeks, it looks like. In the immediate future, we've got milder mornings coming the next 2 days, warmer afternoons in the 70s, but we will have another cold front on Thursday, another dry front that'll drop temperatures back down. All right, tonight, lows in the 30s in most locations. Lowest lying areas, you will see a little freeze one more night. Tomorrow, though, up near 70 just about everywhere. In Austin tonight, 35, maybe some meteors if you're out away from city lights. 70 tomorrow, mostly sunny. Here's that 7-day forecast for you. Look at there, 76 on Wednesday. Wonderful. Front comes in on Thursday. We drop about 10 degrees. And then this one's going to keep us cool for several days, probably right on through the weekend until we warm back to normal.